Magnolia's 100-year celebration, we invited 100 kids to join us in the special event. We prepared fun games and engaging nutritional talks to teach kids the importance of proper nutrition and hygiene. Kapag malusog ang mga bata, mas malinaw ang pag-iisip nila at masanda silang matuto. This is our way of sharing countless moments and endless goodness with the community.
Masaya rin po ako na naglaro po kami ng basketball.
Exercise is the best medicine. It's very important at a young age to try out different sports.
Happy and fulfilling, sharing these countless moments with the kids. It's always great to give back to the community.
Maghugas ng kamay, very good.
Natutunan ko po ay ang pinggang Pinoy. Go, glow, grow. Favorite ko din po yung chicken kasi po masarap. Maraming salamat po kasi po binusog niyo po kami.